Introduction to the design of intelligent cloud-based remote electricity metering and billing system. In this part we are using 16:2 LCD display, GSM module and 2 relays for the 2 bulbs, and also using a 2 AC bulbs and with the 2 AC holders, and also using a Arduino Nano microcontroller, track PCB, rectifier and energy meter. So we are providing the power supply through this power cable. It takes 230 volts power supply that will be given to this rectifier. At the same time we are parallelly connecting to the energy meter. So rectifier take the 230 volts power supply that will be converted into 5 volts DC. That 5 volts DC will be given to this track PCB. So the main purpose of this track PCB is equally divide the 5 volts power supply to the Arduino, relays, GSM module and LCD display, because these components require a 5 volts of power supply. And also the 230 volts power supply also given to this energy meter. That energy meter will be calculate the levels, energy kilowatts, that will be send a signals to the optocoupler. This optocoupler will be send a signals to the Arduino Nano. Using this optocoupler we will count the signals. Based on the signals we will be calculate the energy. Now I am giving the power supply right now here. And also we can observe here there will be a light indication with no delay. If it is blink with the delay time, which means Airtel SIM got a signal. Now it is blinking with a delay, which means this SIM got a signal. Now we can see units are 0. It is saying that please send a SMS. Now I am sending a SMS from this phone as a So now here we can see D1 on the send a message. So that message will be received here. So we can see message received here. So we can see we switched on the D1, and also we can see it is showing the D1 got switched on. So we can see here D1 got switched on. So I have sent D1 on text and it is showing the D1 got switched on, and also it will be send the units to our phone. So it will take some seconds. So we can see it is send the units of 0.06 kilowatt hour, and the same we can see in the LCD display also. I am sending a message to turn on the D2. In this one, so we can see D2 is on, and also we can see this. So we can see D2 got switched on, and also it is sending a message to me, and also it will send a units with some delay time. So we can see units are 0.19 kilowatt hour. And also if you want to off the D2, just press D2 off. So we can see D2 got switched off. Now if you want to and also we can see here reverse message, D2 got switched off. I am sending message to switch off the D1. So you can see D1 also switched off, and also we can see. So this is the message I will be sending, and also we can see D1 also get switched off. It is giving a reverse message to us. So in this way this point will be works. Thanks for the watching.